Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Friends, yes, there is a big surprise for you guys in today's video. If you are new here, so a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel, Earning Tips for You. And if you are a returning subscriber, so thank you very much for coming towards this video. This video again, very interesting, very informative, and yes, a big surprise for you guys in today's video. If you are my returning subscriber, so you guys know I was making videos for you guys in Urdu language initially when I start making videos, and then most of my friends, they are from foreign countries, they do not understand Urdu language, so they are requesting me to make videos with English subtitle. So I started to write subtitles on my videos, then start uploading, and my last 30 videos which are available on my YouTube channel, they are with English subtitles. They are all related to YouTube. But right now, from the past few days, my friends are again requesting me to make videos in English language so that they can get understanding of the knowledge, information, and the topic in a much better and easy way as compared to when I write subtitles on my videos. So for my perspective, definitely it takes a lot of time to write subtitles and then editing the video and then recheck it, and then finally it uploaded. So it takes a lot of times from my perspective. From your perspective, yes, it takes times to read all the subtitles and understand the knowledge and information which I share with you guys in the videos. So that's why it takes time from both sides. So finally, from now onward, I will make videos with English language, because English is an international language. If you are from any country in the world, so definitely that you will understand English, so you can understand the knowledge and information which I share my videos, you can understand it. So that's the big surprise for you guys. But there is another surprise for you guys as well. The main objective of my channel was to earning tips for you. That's my channel name, Earning Tips. I try to give some earning tips for you. But from now to onward, there is no only YouTube videos will uploaded on my channel. I will move to some other different topics as well. Different topics mean that from where we can learn and we can earn money. If I give you a small clue before me uploading next videos, so I will make videos related to Amazon, that how you will earn money from Amazon, how you will earn money from freelancing, how you will earn money from affiliate marketing, how you will earn money from social media marketing, so on and so forth. So there will be a lot of skills, lot of information, lot of knowledge which I will share with you guys in the next future videos which I upload on my YouTube channel. And if you are interested to earn money online, so don't forget to subscribe my channel with bell icon, so that hit the bell icon compulsory, so that you will receive the notification when I upload any video on my YouTube channel. So that's all about in today's video. If you have any question related to any topic related to YouTube right now, so you can inbox me your question. My social media links are available in the description of this video. So that's all about in today's video. See you soon in some next interesting video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.